Global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, great people. Welcome back to Global Happenings. Today, we're so excited to have you again. 2023 presidency is on the way, and two prominent politicians who are vying for that post are finding it very tough to break into the southeast. Talking about Ahmed Bola Tinubu and Atiku Abubakar. There have been multiple write-ups and messages to them to quit going for the position. Instead, they should hand it over to more younger people and also to people who are from the southeast. And right now, another youth group have sent a strong message to Atiku Abubakar, and their message revolves around him quitting. The presidential push, presidential aspiration, and also taking into consideration what the Southeast can do with more than 50 million people that they have in their possession. We're going to be looking at the more content of the letter in a jiffy and also carry out some political analysis. But before we do that, if you've not subscribed to our channel, please do well. Hit on the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you get notification anytime we publish our videos. Now, according to the news, the Ohanaeze Youth Council (OYC) has asked the former Vice President Atiku Abubakar to drop his presidential ambition to uphold the unity of the Nigerian nation. The Igbo group warned that if the People Democratic Party (PDP) hands the former vice president his 2023 presidential ticket, it would cause a total disintegration of Nigeria. Speaking to newsmen in Owerri, Imo State capital, the national president of Ohanaeze Youth Council, Comrade Ibo Yaka, said the council frowns at what he described as the undue desperation of Atiku Abubakar to pick the presidential ticket of the People Democratic Party (PDP). The Igbo Youth Group said if PDP denies a Southeasterner presidential ticket, the only thing over 50 million Igbo youth must ensure is to keep Nigeria won by massively voting APC presidential candidate from the southeast, and no PDP office stroke flag from ward level to state level will stand erect in the southeast. Will fight PDP like Yakubu Gowon did to keep Nigeria won. According to the council, Atiku Abubakar should go to the history line of PDP formation from G34 led by Dr. Alex Ekweme before it became a political party to ascertain that the Southeast has paid the ultimate sacrifice in PDP more than any other zone in Nigeria. Speaking further, the group reiterated that Southeastern had contributed to the formation, building as well as sustaining PDP as the biggest party in Africa. Atiku Abubakar's call to contest in PDP is a call to interrupt the unity and peace in Nigeria, and such move will lead to national political disaster, anarchy, and tribal crisis that will sink Nigeria. If PDP deny a Southeasterner presidential ticket, the only thing over 50 million Igbo youth must ensure is to keep Nigeria won by massively voting APC presidential candidate from Southeast, and no PDP office stroke flag from ward level to state level will stand erect in Southeast. Will fight PDP like Yakubu Gowon did to keep Nigeria won. PDP must avoid using Atiku Abubakar, Aminu Tambuwa, and other selfish presidential aspirants that are not from the southeast to disintegrate or cause Nigeria her national unity. It's derogatory that Atiku Abubakar boasted how he used Ben Obi and Peter Obi as running mates. Atiku Abubakar should know that if any Nigerian desire to see Nigeria as the giant of Africa, as proposed by Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe Zik of Africa, then it's high time he drops his presidential ambition and support a credible and competent presidential aspirant from Southeast to build the Nigeria of Zik vision. Atiku Abubakar must awaken his human consciousness and realize that among the 6 geopolitical zones in Nigeria, Southeast gave him the overwhelming highest vote, which led the present administration of President Muhammadu Buhari to nickname Southeastern people 5%. Therefore, it is historical that Atiku Abubakar and PDP's family is owing the Southeastern people reciprocation gratitude in the 2023 presidential election. clear. Everything is clearly spelled out and straight to the point. And the one I really love is what they said about PDP, that if they hand over the ticket to Atiku Abubakar, that they will fight PDP like Yakubu Gowon did to keep Nigeria one. That's a very strong statement coming from the southeastern youth, and it's a pointer to the fact that Atiku Abubakar must have to reconsider his intention. He has the full right, to vote and also to be voted for. In other words, he has the right to continue with his strive of becoming the president of Nigeria come 2023. But at the same time, it's very important for PDP, if they want to get, everything from 2023, that's if they want to be the president of Nigeria in 2023, they must learn to table first, in their list of priority, they need to put number one, equity, fairness, justice, and that will go an extra mile to give them a first lift when it comes to 2023 election. Don't forget that when we are talking about Southeast, we are talking about the people who have contributed tremendously to the growth of Nigeria, but yet they have not been rewarded politically, especially at the national level. Yeah, they've been for once they had become, secretary to the state government. We've seen it as Senate president and all of that. But the number one position is also good enough for them. So I think at this point there should be reconsideration. It's my personal opinion. What's yours? Let's interact in the comment section. Thank you very much and stay tuned.